Okay,
Good job.
so today I'm going to sheets.
The foxes, they love to
This
eat.
side is the one we are doing first, the one I'm right now.
This one says.
Okay, go ahead.
Okay, we're going to talk about suffixes. We're going to specifically talk about Y and ly, okay?
I mean, so
Now,
there's
does
more than
anybody
one,
know
right?
what
There's
a
an S on there.
suffix
It's not an ES, but it's
is
an
right
S.
offhand? Go ahead, Cameron.
Out of the boxes
Out of the boxes.
and on the school buses.
A word that
And you can look on there if you want. That's all we always want to do clues and look on there.
The school with their snack packs. Can you say that?
and a word.
So a suffix is a syllable or a word part, okay, like ly, that's added to the end of a word to change its meaning. Okay, so it totally changes the meaning.
Mom.
So
replied,
a suffix, the suffix y, when it is added to the end of the word, it means like or full of, like
So we got a lot of words that
chili.
end in just
It's
S.
full of chill.
We
Chili.
got a lot of words
It's
that
different
end
than the
in
word
ES,
chill.
okay?
So when we add that y, it makes it
It
full
kinda
of
means
that
the same
chili. Or quick.
Thing to a word, it's gonna be
ly.
more
ly
than
means
one,
in that way.
right?
So we add two. Let's say we add ly to quick
One sock
and make
with
it
two socks.
quickly. It
One
means,
box,
how did they do it?
two boxes.
They did it quickly.
Okay,
It's a
so I
different,
want you
so
to
it kind of
do,
changes the word, it changes the meaning of that word, right?
is go back.
It's telling you
and
how they did
highlight
something when we add those
the
on. Okay?
words.
So we're gonna use these words with ly, okay, and we're gonna fill them in these sentences, the story.
Boxes and boxes. There's two
It has a
words.
y, so we're talking about y and ly. The y means like or full of. So with the y, it's chilly out, so it is, the day is chilly.
If you
It's not
highlight a
a
word,
chill or rainy. Instead of rain, which is the stuff that falls,
Yeah.
it's describing the day. The day is rainy
alright. So,
or windy.
the next sentence
It's not
says,
talking about
"Another
the
fox
wind itself, the actual wind that we can feel. It's describing
ES word in
how
there?
the day is. It's windy.
alright, just search,
Yeah.
just highlight
Same
the
with
ES
snowy.
word.
Okay? So we're gonna go along here and we're gonna fill these in.
Alright.
So number
After that,
one,
it says, the
I can
mother,
look out my
she made
window
lots of socks.
to blank
Is there an ES
plan
word
my
in there?
day. I can look out my window to blank plan my day. Cam, what fits in there?
So many that they lived in boxes. Is there an
Quickly.
ES word in there?
That makes, look, when I go through this and I look at those words and
Highlight that
I go
ES.
windy, nah, chilly, that doesn't make sense. Quickly seems to make sense, so we can fit it in.
Alright.
I can look out my window
Next one
to
says-
quickly plan my day.
The
That means that's the way we're gonna do it. We're gonna do
mother,
it
she made
quickly.
lots of socks. Is there an ES word in there? Talk to me, don't be writing, talk to me. Is there an ES word in there?
Okay, number
Anybody else
two,
see an ES word in there?
on a
Not in that
blank
sentence.
day, I can fly
Is this
a blank kite.
S-O-C-X-S, right? S-O-C-K-S.
Who wants to try? Cameron, since you got the last one, I'll try to give somebody else a chance. I know-
Alright, you got that, guys?
I think I
What
know.
kind of day would we fly a kite on?
Next sentence.
A
What?
sunny day.
For
Well,
each
could
and
be.
every little fox.
But what do we need to
Is
fly
there
a
an
kite?
ES word in this
If
sentence?
we look up there and we go through these words,
Wind.
Alright.
we do. Now, is that up
Next
there?
one
Is there
the
something we could
foxes,
use?
They love
Put
to
the
eat
Y on it.
snacks. How many ES
Windy.
words do we have in there?
On a windy day,
One.
which
No,
means
no,
it's,
what is it though?
it's windy day. It's not the wind itself, but the day is
Fox,
windy.
got that? Alright.
We can fly a blank
That's not
kite.
the ES word, right?
What do you think?
Snacks.
What do you think?
is
Lovely.
not an ES word, is it?
That's what I think.
Alright.
That's what I put. I think lovely fits in there the best.
The
Lovely.
mother would put them
So,
in caps.
in what way are we
Is there an
going
ES
to,
word in there?
what way is the kite? It is a lovely
Yeah,
kite.
I know this.
Windy and lovely.
You agree? There's none?
So windy's on the first one. Oh,
In that sentence, is there one or not? What
I said
sound was
elder.
there?
How do I spell what?
There's no windy.
Windy.
It says it right here. Right there.
Peck.
You were covering up with your finger.
Peck sounds like there is one,
That's
right?
windy
But
and
it's
that's,
not.
there's an L in that one.
That's not
Wild.
right.
Alright,
I know that. You're wrong.
You
Next
do?
one is
Well, ask you.
out of the box.
You're doing the wrong
There's an ES word in there.
one. You're doing this one. No.
He's right.
W-I-N.
But you just don't have an EY there.
And what is
Right?
that word?
Just like that.
Box is good, good job.
Windy and lovely. Okay.
Do you see that yet?
Remember, Wyatt, we can look up at the words above and then spell it.
Out
Okay,
of
let's move on to the
box.
next one. On a blank day, I can stomp blank in the mud. What kind of day can you stomp in the mud? Melissa.
On
Good
a
job.
rainy.
On a rainy day. What kind of day is it? It's a rainy
School
day.
buses.
Isn't it lovely, that
Buses
one?
is the ES word, right?
And you can look here to spell, see, you would look right up here. And copy it down. It's from
Alright, the
there.
next word is
Yes.
to school with their snapback.
It's the person that is my supervisor,
Like
that's
his
helps me with school. They can't come to school right now because of COVID. Okay. So they need to watch me on videotape to
No, that.
see what I'm doing. To say, hey, either say, hey, you're not doing this right, or say, hey, you're doing a good job at doing this.
Yeah, my dad told me this because he's a teacher in my community.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Chilly day.
So on a rainy day,
But they're making buses, right?
and we said, no, what we can stomp what in the mud. How do we stomp in the mud?
I like that
How do we
word.
stomp in the mud? Natalie, what do you think? We can stomp what in the mud? How do we stomp in the mud?
Alright, the next sentence is,
Well, we could do slowly, but we usually walk slowly in the mud. Or if we're having a lot of fun, how would we stomp in the mud? And we're really just getting crazy.
such nice and sweet.
Fastly.
Is Fastly up there?
I know one. I know one. We're learning this quick.
What about wildly?
Wide open.
Hey, you get to flip this over here.
I could stomp wildly in the mud.
What's this?
So in what way are you stomping? I'm stomping wildly.
What's this?
What do you think? But sound it out.
Hilly,
Mm-hmm.
Roll the dice. for
Hilly,
right
sunny,
ES
snowy.
word.
and chilly.
Okay, number 4.
The
On a blank day, I can ride my sled down a blank slope.
What's your
What's a slope?
martinet on the top? So I don't
What's
have
a slope?
yellow on your nose.
What do you think, Kim?
It's
Wyatt, what's a slope?
a
Okay.
hill.
Oh, yeah. So there's a couple clues. There's sled and slope that we can kind of figure out what we're putting in here. What do we think goes in that? What kind of day is it that I'm riding a sled?
Sunny.
So I come down here and find
Right?
the
Could be a
side.
sunny day.
Word
But
is buses.
it could
Oh.
So I come over here, you
Snowy.
have it.
Snowy.
It's slope.
And I write the
be
word.
snowy, right?
Bus.
We usually ride sleds in the snow. Maybe you can ride sleds
Alright.
Anyway.
anytime, but
Where's
we ride some sleds.
another? So hilly.
So snowy is the first one, and then what kind of slope?
Where's snowy? Right there.
Mhm.
You can
What
write
kind of
this-
slope do we think?
So,
Okay, Cam, what do you think?
So you write it in there.
hilly.
Okay, rock and roll,
What's
guys.
this one?
Yeah, what was that? What did we say that was? Hilly. A hilly slope.
What's the word?
What's a slope? It's like a hill. It's like it.
Yep, there's more than one.
Like how the hill
You go to
goes
Mexico,
down,
there's the morning
what it
beach
looks
and the
like, when it
afternoon
goes,
beach.
how it goes down. Hey, that's a really steep slope, or that's a really easy slope. All right, number 5. On a hot blank day, so there's a clue, hot. I can escape the heat. Another clue. On
Now
a.
you have? Okay.
All right, what do we
You're
think?
doing them on your own. You don't need to
Should
do
it?
it.
Or could it be
This
on
is
a
hot.
hot
You roll
Sunny.
it,
comma.
Go ahead and roll again.
Sunny.
sunny? It's describing it. So it means there's 2 words that are describing it. Hot, comma,
Okay.
sunny day.
Last one is chilly.
Chilly, because what would we want the lake to feel like if we were jumping in it on a
Chilly.
hot, sunny,
Chilly.
Yeah, so we want to feel chilly because that'd feel
I
awesome.
went to a swimming pool before, and
Yeah.
it had this big, like, bouncy thing where you can jump on it, and it tricks you that you fall in the water.
Ooh, that sounds fun.
Those are really cool.
Sounds a lot of fun.
Like,
All right, everybody ready to turn over the other
like you
side?
can't see the thing.
Wait, no review words. What was this one?
This is only how many minutes for these, and should I switch it?
That was 30 seconds.
30 seconds. Is it 10 minutes on these two? Does the bell ring for this one?
Yes.
Okay.
You get to read the word again.
Yep, absolutely. Okay, go ahead and start on this one, guys. If we don't finish it here, we can. So, what it's talking about here, plural sounds. So,
Write the word.
spell plural sounds, add S as in bells. So we spell a plural word ending in S, X, and SH. So this is a review,
So, like, you
right?
have to see these if they have,
Yep,
like,
you see
ES.
that one. Yep, you just go from the spelling word list over here.
I beat it.
If you want to write it in there, you can, but you don't have to write. You just need you can just put it in the by the word.
What's
You can
this
write ES
one?
or S in there.
What's this?
What's that? It's to write the whole thing again, but you don't have to do
I
that.
think I know because I
Okay.
can just, it's like, just like,
So we can when we do that, we can take this back and finish this up before you start.
Is there an S right here?
If you have a computer, please shut it down.
that's what
All right.
E is something, right?
Dress? I don't know.
No, I don't.
Yeah.
Okay, you guys can finish that up and put it in your take home folder. Okay, we're gonna switch anyways, Cam, so you can just go back to that.
Put those papers in your take home folder, friends.
Thanks, awesome.
I never got.
You go finish it
I
up.
just feel
Go ahead and finish it in your seat, put it in the bag. And you can show it to me.
Oh, you did finish. Oh, no.
Here we go.